Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel Ready to Learn with Pooja Bhatnagar ma'am. Today we will learn short vowel sounds, phonics and reading. At, am, app, words. I repeat one again. At, am, app, words. I read first, then you repeat. Our first word is at. At. A D at. S at. Set. Set. B at. Bed. Bed. D at. Dead. Dead. M at. Met. Met. I repeat once again. Set, bed, dead, mad. Add, AD phonic sound, add. Let us read some words. Listen carefully, then repeat after me. Fat, bread, pad, glad, dead, glad, lad, head. I repeat once again. Fat, bread, pad, glad, dad, glad, lad, head. Let us read some sentences. Listen to me carefully, then repeat after me. My dad is fun. I love my dad. I repeat once again. My dad is fun. I love my dad. She felt sad when her friend moved away. She felt sad when her friend moved away. I am glad you came to my party. I am glad you came to my party. Good job, class. Very good. Let us go to the next lesson. Our second word is am. Am. A M. Phonic sound is am. Y am. Yam. Yam. D am. Dam. Dam. J am. Jam. Jam. R am. Ram. Ram. I repeat once again. Yam. Dam. Jam. Ram. Let us read some words. Clam, ham, spam, slam, cram, scam, cam, tram. I repeat once again. Listen carefully. Clam, ham, spam, slam, cram, scam, cam, tram. Let us read some sentences. I like to eat ham sandwiches for lunch. I like to eat ham sandwiches for lunch. The clam was hiding in the sand at the beach. Repeat one again. The clam was hiding in the sand at the beach. Good job. Very good. Viewers, let us go to the next lesson. Our third word is app. App. A P. Phonic sound is app. C app. Cap. An app. nap. M, app, map. T, app, tap. I repeat once again, listen carefully. App, cap, nap, map, tap. Let us read some words. Clap, lap, yap, rap, sap, slap, rap, trap. Listen carefully, then repeat after me once again. Clap, lap, yap, rap, sap, slap, rap, trap. Let us read some sentences. I used a map to find the way to my friend's house. I repeat, I used a map to find the way to my friend's house. I felt tired after lunch, so I took a short nap. Repeat once again. I felt tired after lunch, so I took a short nap. The mouse got caught in a trap. The mouse got caught in a trap. Good job. Keep it up. Let us practice reading more short sentences. Add words. Dad is glad. Dad is glad. The dog is mad. The dog is mad. She has a pad of papers. She has a pad of paper. A lad ran fast. A lad ran fast. M words. I am happy. I am happy. The ham is on the plate. The ham is on the plate. Sam has jam. Sam has jam. The ram ran away. The ram ran away. App, app words. Put on the cap. Put on the cap. She took a nap. She took a nap. There is a map on the wall. There is a map on the wall. Tap on the gap in the fence. Tap on the gap in the fence. So viewers, आज हमने सीखे डबल लेटर शॉर्ट साउंड्स वर्ड. If you like the video, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel Ready to Learn with Pooja Bhatnagar. See you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care, kids.